1 second. Just kidding. Sorry. Hey, Trulies. Welcome back to. Oh my God, this stupid phone won't shut up. Okay. It. What the heck? A tornado? Oh God. I think this is actually serious. So it's like actually coming in an hour. Why are we just figuring out about this? Oh gosh, I am just going to go tell the girls they have friends over, and I really need them to get home to their parents. I can't even lock. I'm opening it. What the frick was that? Girls, did you just get the notification? Yeah, Mom. Izzy already texted her parents. Okay, perfect. Izzy, when did your mom say she's gonna be here? Like 3 seconds. What? Yeah, she's speeding. Okay, just wait for the doorbell to ring. There it is. Okay, bye, Izzy. Tell your family, we're praying and good luck. Okay. Thank you, Mr. You're welcome. All right, down! Be safe. I really hope I will. Kids. Yeah? I need to text Jonathan and Samantha's parents because there's a tornado. What? Oh God, I'm too young to die. I'm too young to die. I'm too young to die. Yeah, me too. Oh my God, I can't waste. What have I always wanted to do? Say a cuss word, but I'm not gonna do it. I want to, hit Bailey in the face. Ew! This is a bit chaotic. Okay, your parents are on the way. Bailey, Kaylee, calm down. And you, Haley, too. What? I just got hit in the face! What do you expect me to do? Whip? Oh my God, I'm gonna... Too loud. So seriously, oh my God, I gotta get my pants on. Cammy. Okay, we got Cammy, we need Hammy. Mommy, get Hammy down! I can't right now. I'll try my best. Don't worry, Cammy, I'm coming for you. You ain't doing nothing, girl. It's Hammy, not Cammy. These children! Gosh, okay. Why are you still in the elevator? I don't know. Okay, just come down with me then. The stupid letter. Something we heard. I had to scream. My head was underwater. Ooh, what? I'm so stupid. Oh my God. Right now, be shot. It's yours. You need to be shot too, Chloe. Okay, your mom should be here. There's. Okay. Bye, Izzy. Come on, out. Bye, Izzy. Bye. Thank you for having me, Miss Julie. Okay. Did you get the notification? Yeah, Mom. What? School sent me home. And you walked? No, Dad picked me up on his way home from work. Where is your father? In the car. He said to tell you that we need to go to the grocery store. We really do. Okay, make sure, Mom, what am I gonna do? I'm too young to die. I'm only 10. Oh no, I cannot. Oh my God, I need to save this. Okay, I need to save my phone. I'm just gonna pack a little bag. Let's just do a little video. Grab my phone. Hey, get ready and pack with me to go to our bunker because there's a stupid tornado. I'm gonna die. Okay. Guys, this might be my last get ready with me and, pack with me. And if it is cute, I'll be in heaven. Oh my god. Cindy, I can't leave you. Don't worry, I'm not going to leave you, Cindy. I've just realized sin, and I'm Christian, so no. Let's do cinnamon. And actually, let's do cocoa. I like cocoa. Okay, cocoa. It's okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to pack some perfume. I already have a notebook, like my diary. I'm going to pack my phone, but I'm recording with it right now. I'm going to pack a few outfits. I'm going to pack comfy ones. I'm going to pack this robe for pajamas. I'm going to pack my Lululemon outfit that cost way too much, and I can't lose that, so I'm not. And I'll do this oversized hoodie that I stole from my brother. Let's do this thingy. It's so ugly, but it'll work. I'm gonna keep what I'm wearing. My Conan gray hoodie that I got for $50. So that's coming. And then my softball jersey for memories if I die. I probably will. Okay. Here are all the clothes I'm packing. I put this in my bag. Time to pack skincare.
Meanwhile,
Gosh, we have too many pets and kids. Oh my god! I spit all over my screen. Yeah, this is so not demure and not cutesy. See how I spit on my screen? Very demure, very cutesy, very mindful. Oh my god, okay, I need to put this here and this here. I don't know why I'm I probably should have made this warning long ago, but headphone user. Ew, what was that? I try to do like I really suck at singing. Sorry. I'm sure my neighbors love me. Okay. Oh god. What am I doing? Okay. Luke, why are you watching TV? Because I'm bored. Plus, you told me to watch the toddlers or the babies or whatever. And why is she holding the baby? I don't know. Wait. Breaking news, folks in Toca. Wait. There's watch out for a hurricane that is going. I meant not a hurricane. A tornado that is going to come in the most an hour. At the least. And everyone needs to go to the grocery store and get all the food on the shelves before they're gone, folks. Now, okay, are we done? Cut!
she was a fairy.
Oh, God. My ears. Ow! My ears! Ow! You're not gonna die. Wait. What the? You're not gonna die. Well, I hope not, at least. What? What? I'm not gonna die. I'm gonna die. I can do it. I can win you a half. I can do a half. Neither of you are gonna die. I. Neither are you. I wasn't saying I was going to. Oh, so that's why the chef went home and Mia. Yes, that's why Mia and the chef went home. Did they not say good luck or anything? They did, but I don't know what they meant by that. Huh? Like, I just burped, but oh my god, stop crying. Where's your father? I don't know. Where do you guys come from? Heaven on a gift from the heavens. You're not gonna give me another gift. Hey! Guys, stop it! Where is your dad? I don't know, I saw him in the door. He's probably trying to get in. He is. Oh, frick, I forgot there's a tornado. Uh-oh. I'm gonna die. Gotta act nonchalant. Gotta act nonchalant. Okay, act cool. Dude. Wait, we just had you screaming! Oh. Okay, is the car ready? Yeah. Okay, so Luke, you're staying home. Reagan, you're staying home. Alyssa, you're coming with us to the grocery store. Haley, Kaylee, you're coming with us. The baby's coming with us. And everyone else, you need to stay home. Get all the pets, get all the food, get everything. Well, not all the food, probably. Just get all of the pets. Work on that first. And then text me when you guys are all done. And then get into the bunker. And I'll text you more when you're ready. Mommy, I'm gonna die! Pum-pum. Piggy. She has a name, you know. Piglet. 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 Coco. Wait, no, her name can't be Coco. Louie. Don't leave. No! I just said we're gonna get all the pets. Oh. Well, we gotta go. The groceries are all gonna be gone by the time we get there, so let's go. Wait, who's coming again? Reagan, Haley, and Kaylee, the baby, and you two. Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, Emma. We're coming home, you know. Oh, let's go! Why did everyone have to come? I know. Luke, can you please drive some kids home? I want to go home. Me too. I want to take care of some pets. Okay, so 2. I'm going to have you more, please. I'll go home. Okay, let's have 2 more people. I'll go home so I can play with Bailey. Okay, 1 more person. Okay, just everyone, okay. The people are going, go. Okay, that was a lot more people than I expected. Okay, I guess let's just grab the things we need. Okay. Ooh, can we get strawberry Twinkie? Oh my god, these people are actually really annoying, so I'm just gonna get rid of everyone. So realistic. Yeah, just go with it. Go with it. Okay? Thank you. Can we get strawberry Twinkies? That's not what we need. There's a tornado in, let's see, 40 minutes. Oh, Mommy, we need to hurry up. Okay, so we need beans. Are you kidding? Beans! Beans! Yeah, last time we had beans, babe, we ended up fighting the whole night. And we saw womb, so I had to listen to that the whole night, and it was disgusting. So we're not getting beans. We're getting beans. It's canned, and they're good, and I can make a meal with them. Did girl really just eat them? Oh my god. Guys, this is stressful, and it's not a time to be goofing around. So, stop it. Can we get a chocolate bar? I got a chocolate bar. No! Fine, we'll get a few chocolate bars, but we really need healthy stuff. Dino nugget! No. Why? Because we need stuff that we can eat in the bunker or basement or whatever. Oh, fine. How about instant cake? It's not there. You know it says instant, but you have to actually kind of use the mix. So no. Let me see. No. Did you open that? Yeah. Now I have to pay for it. Just put it in the cart. Are you kidding me right now? Zoe. That's disgusting, Kaylee. Or Haley. Did you just get me mixed up? Yes, I did. I'm really sorry about that, but I can't speak, okay? Ooh, new flavor Oreo! You have like one tooth. I'm not two. Ooh, yeah, can we get to Oreo? No! Get two. Yes. Isabel, get the bread, please. Wait, no. I want her name to be Eleonora. I like Eleonora. I don't know how I said that already. I can't remember. Okay, Eleonora, get the bread. Oh, we already have bread. Perfect. Sour straws. We can get sour straws? Well, yeah, because you can have them. Ooh, can you go grab stuff from the deli, please, Eleonora? Fine. What do we need? Just grab a few things, whatever you think is good. All right. Can I please get 2 spaghettis?
Okay, trash spaghetti. Or anything else?
The chicken noodles.
Or anything else? Sure. Then go, honey. You can pay at checkout.
Thanks.
You're welcome, hon. Yeah, good luck with the tornado. Now I gotta go home because I'ma die. Bye-bye.
Mom, how much minutes? Oh gosh, 2 hours? Did you just say 40 minutes? Well, yeah, but apparently it's not to come until 2 hours. So we don't have to be so rushed. Well, we kind of do, because we have a lot to do to be prepared. That's one minute I'm gonna die! Stop saying you're gonna die, because you're not. Ashlyn, there's some canned stuff over here. Okay, let's grab that. Ooh, canned pineapple, chickpeas. Ew, I don't want chickpeas. Nah. You can't even eat that. You're getting baby food. Leo, gotta get another cart. Okay, I'm gonna go get another cart. Running. Got another cart. Perfect. Now can you please hold this one and I'll hold this one. Okay, so we need that. We're gonna get some milk. It's milk. Milk. Okay, just let her live, I guess. Whatever makes her happy, I guess. Candy, I guess. More candy. I want them to be healthy, so let's just grab this giant watermelon. Canned tomato sauce? Okay, guess we're getting it. Fish sticks, no, have to cook that. Ooh, perfect. Ew! That's disgusting! Disgusting!
Disgusting!
In a grocery store. I'm not gonna tell you twice, young lady. Fine! You are going to go home right now. You're on slippery ice. Ugh. So weak. Good. And now stop this behavior because I do not like it. Yeah. Thank you. What did I hate Halloween stuff? It's Christmas! Christmas time! I don't know, there's probably like cheaper. Oh, you get one? I guess. Yeah. Okay, we need some fruits. Let's just get some bananas. Let's get mushrooms. Ew! Disgusting! Kaylee? Sorry about that. I hope you are. Ooh, do we need frozen bananas? Why do we need frozen bananas? I want them. No, those go in smoothies. Hey, I think we better go check out now.